Today I am here with another ThredUp unboxing. This one is the mixed t-shirt rescue box. I don't remember how many t-shirts they sewed in it. I've never seen anyone do this box. It seems like kind of a lame one. It's cheaper, which I like. And I was thinking, you know, t-shirts don't seem very exciting, but I thought they might have the possibility to be revamped, maybe tie-dyed. Maybe I could give that another shot, maybe cropped, maybe vintage. I don't know, probably not, but we're gonna see. I thought, you know, $25, I think is how much it was. I'll confirm that once I open it, but just thought I'd give it a go, you know, get some inventory for the new year, fly by the seat of my pants, take a risk. Here we go. This box is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, same as my last box, which was good. I was happy with it. So maybe that will be also the case here. Mixed sizes rescue box, DIY t-shirts. Okay, it was $28. So let's do the math. 28 divided by 25 equals $1.12 each. Let's see how we do. First up is a Levi's t-shirt. It's green, says looking good Levi's, seems to be in good condition, just a little boring and basic, but it's fine. And I mean, I don't know, maybe someone would even buy that the way it is. It's my size, it's my husband's size. Me and my husband wear the same size. How cute. Oh, this is good. An REI t-shirt. My husband will definitely wear that. It's a medium though. I don't know, probably won't be, might be too small. But I mean, as far as, you know, random dollar t-shirts go, fine. Here is a PlayStation t-shirt. It has the game controller things on the back, size medium. That could be a neat one to try to tie-dye, like bleach tie-dye maybe, and crop. Some gamer girl, I don't know. Brainstorming. This one's new with tags. Fanatics. Like sports, hockey, NHL. It's a logo of some hockey team, I guess. Doesn't have any words to give me any context clues, but the only reason I even think it's hockey is because this says NHL. I'll have to like Google image search that or something. Maybe it's like the Stars. That could be their team. So another good one. I'm happy with this t-shirt box already. Maybe I should order the t-shirt box more. I don't really understand. This is kind of stupid. This is like a boombox. Like it's supposed to look like a person who's, oh, I see. Helps to look at it from the front. It's like your head goes here, so then it looks like you're this little teeny tiny body of this person holding a boombox. Kind of stupid. The brand is Hue Trap. Never heard of it. That one's my least favorite so far. Here is a t-shirt. Has some logo on it. The size, the sleeve says practice makes perfect with this logo. I don't know what. It's just like a Canva t-shirt, so like someone made it and then sold it online probably, but I don't know what that means. Maybe I will have to look that up too. Oh, I like this. It has some stains on it. This is like the California flag, I think, with the bear on it, and it says Levi. It is cute, but it has some like grease stains. Where were they? Right here. This will probably be a good one to try to tie-dye. That could be cute. Hopefully my tie-dyeing skills might be better than they were last time. This time I could at least buy supplies to use the real way to make it and not just like things I found around the house. This is something somebody probably will want. It's a Lucky brand t-shirt and it says Whiskey Business. Someone who likes whiskey. Doesn't seem like it's ever been worn. So, okay. T-shirt box coming in hot. In my opinion, I don't know. This has never been worn. There's still this sticker on it. It says got bubbles. Like, I don't know, is that like for champagne? I guess like it does kind of look like champagne bubbles. Kind of interesting. This one is called, oh, it's from Adidas. The Go-To Tee. It's green and it says on the front, fear failure. I don't think that's a great message. You should probably just like know that failure is a part of life and not let it stop you from doing anything, because if you feel fear failure. You're just never gonna do anything. So like that's kind of a messed up thing to say, but maybe there are some people out there who, I don't know about that. That's just a weird thing to say. This is an ASOS t-shirt. That's a good one. It is like this style. That's just a blue t-shirt with the pocket that has this fabric. Dragonflies maybe? Or maybe just like little flowers. It's not bad. Not bad at all for $28. This is Puma. Just a plain baby fit girls women cut Puma t-shirt. Has some little sparkles on the little cat. And it's a extra small. I feel like this might be more than 25. All in there in the burrito. Ooh, I see something exciting down below. This is nice. Oh, wow. This is a Vineyard Vines long sleeve t-shirt with the American flag on the sleeve. And then the back set has a swordfish on it. It looks like it's never been worn. It's a long sleeve size medium. I mean, long sleeve shirts are great. And Vineyard Vines is expensive. And look, here's another Vineyard Vines. And it's just the kind of cute one with the whale, and it like is a whale that looks like a basketball. I don't know. A little crossover for Vineyard Vines basketball fans. But that's really nice. It's a medium also. Looks like it's never been worn. I'm thrilled. I mean, I think this is better than the mixed clothes box. Better than the shoe box. I'm ordering this t-shirt box again. Here's a Nike t-shirt. It says just do it, medium. That's pretty standard. Like some of these, I'm like, I don't even need to do anything to them. This one is a Anvil sustainable brand. I think it's just a shirt someone had made. Oh yeah, it's got a what is it, a rooster? A cock. This is, maybe this was like a mistake, but this is the back, and it's for some brewery, I guess. Brewery Vivant. But like, why would they have put the logo so off-centered? I mean, it just seems like a really weird place for the logo to be. Creative decisions, I guess. This one's from H&M. It's kind of like that other one where it just has a different kind of pocket. This one is white, and the pocket has some tropical palm trees, and it has sleeves that are already rolled up. This one is, I believe it's a women's. It's an extra small. Also seems like it's never been worn. This one's definitely never been worn as it still has the tag on it, but it was only originally $9.98. There is some disgusting looking crusty shit all over it, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Might just put this in the Goodwill box. It has a basketball player on it. I don't know if it's anyone specific. It says legend. The crusty stuff is enough to make me just not want to deal with it. Now we have a blue t-shirt that says sets machine. I'm guessing that means like, you know, when you do the same workout move, it's like you do certain, like you do a set of 3, or like probably people would do more like a set of 20 or 12, I don't know. But anyways, I guess they're doing a lot of sets. Oh, this is a Lucky brand. I thought it was something someone made on this. It just says Buddha. Has a Buddha something music company. Guitar, drums, amps. It looks like it's like spray painted on, but I'm sure it's not. It's just the way it's supposed to look. Still got a few more. Is this more than 28? Philadelphia Flyers t-shirt. Hoping maybe that would be that weird logo that was on the other hockey team shirt, and then we would have made a discovery, but it is not. This is a, what's the brand? Alpine. Has a picture of a man hiking in the snow, and it says Super Packer. I'm sure somebody will like that. And it looks like something my husband would like, but I mean, I don't think he doesn't like snow hiking. And this is weird. It says My Babies, and it has a anime character and some writing in a language I don't read. And then this one at the bottom, it says something, I think that's a different language. And then it says support class 1H. It says the brand is My Hero Academy. Maybe that's the name of the show. This might actually, oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is like a vintage Stussy shirt. There's a Stussy logo. It's like an old surf brand. Has a skeleton surfing. Like what? I am happy with this. that's awesome. I mean, I'm a little bit shocked. Well, I'm a lot shocked actually. I thought I was just gonna be wasting my money. And this is a shirt. It's just a white t-shirt with a little patch of a smiley face flower and just kind of basic. Size medium by the brand Trunks. Not heard of it. That's all. That's all. I mean, that is it. Like, I am going to definitely make $28. Let's see if they actually sent me more. Okay, so it was $25. But very impressed. I don't know. I think I might get rid of this one too because, like, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, that's it. Have y'all ever got the t-shirt box? What did you think? Was it as good as this? I'm definitely gonna be ordering it more. Yeah, that's it. I'll be updating y'all in a couple months to see what has sold out of this, and I'm happy. Make sure you're subscribed so you see my update. If you like vintage, thrifting, reseller, eco-friendly fashion content, you're also gonna wanna make sure you're subscribed. Ring the bell so you never miss a thing. And that's it. Happy 2021. Hope things are going good, and I'll see you soon.